This short little video is going to walk you through how to import the GPA questionnaire that your course coordinator has sent to you. You can download the file that is given to you, and if you leave it in your downloads, it'll be easy to find. So while you're in your Canvas dashboard, click on the course that you're going to import it into. And so I've already done it in my 121 and my other 142 class, so now my last 142 class, I'm going to go down to Settings on the left side, and then Import Course Content. In the drop down for Select 1, I'm going to do the Canvas Course Export Package. I choose a file, and this is the file that is in my downloads that came from the email that was sent. I'm going to click on All Content and click Import. And depending on how long it'll take, it can take up to probably a minute, or it's close to being instantaneous. If you want to double check to make sure it's there, you can click on Quizzes, regardless of whether it's highlighted or not. It should show up as GPA Questionnaire. And then when you click on Assignments, it will show up in one of your assignment sections, or it will have created a new category. And so for me, it put it into a new imported assignments category. So I'm just going to click and drag this to where I want to put it. And then I can drop it into the appropriate spot for to give it whatever weight I want to. You'll notice that it is worth 10 points and it is due right before Thanksgiving. If you have any questions, please let your course coordinator know, and we'll be happy to help you. Thank you.